The three most dangerous volcanoes in the USA that could erupt at any time. Number 3. Mount Rainier, Washington. An active stratovolcano standing at 14,411 feet. Mount Rainier poses a major threat due to its massive ice cap. If it erupts, deadly lahars could devastate nearby communities and impact over 80,000 residents. The history of explosive eruptions every 500 to 1,000 years. Number 2. Mount St. Helens, Washington. Famous for its catastrophic 1980 eruption that released 1.5 cubic kilometers of ash and debris, Mount St. Helens is still highly active. Its magma reservoir refills quickly, suggesting that another major eruption could happen sooner than expected. Number 1. Kilauea, Hawaii. One of the most active volcanoes on Earth, Kilauea erupted almost non-stop from 1983 to 2018. Its explosive 2018 eruption destroyed over 700 homes and displaced thousands. With lava flows reaching speeds of up to 17 miles per hour, evacuation is extremely difficult.